Hey beauty, so this is your girl at Flawless Key, and I'm coming at y'all today with a quick review on this bomb, I'm gonna say it one more time, bomb edge control that I found at my local beauty supply store. I did do my research and they do have it on Amazon, they do have it on Sally's, they have it at all these places that sell beauty products, but I got mine at my local beauty supply store. I got it for around $3.49, and I'm gonna quit rambling and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. So this is the Style Factor Edge Booster. Now, I know y'all probably seen this on YouTube already. I didn't see it until I actually bought it, and I bought it and it's bomb. So this edge hold is, I have 4F here, not 4A, 4B, 4C. My hair texture is 4F, okay? Let's not get it twisted. This hair texture, 4F. So for it, I'm not even going to show you all of it, but for it to like hold my little edges down and for it not to roll back up, for it not to turn white, I've been wearing this for like 2 weeks now. This is amazing. Like, this is amazing. Like, every girl needs this. When I first seen it, I thought the product was pink, but it's not pink. It's actually clear. It's just the colors are based by scents. So this is strawberry. It's clear, thick texture, you know, the usual. They do have one that comes in black, I believe, and ones that come in brown, and those are colored, you know, for the girls that like the little darkness or whatever the case may be. But this is the travel size. I paid $3.99 for this. I think I got overcharged, but I wanted to try it out. But on Amazon, they have them for like $5, and I think it's still actually larger size. So I am going to be picking up more of these in different flavors and different colors. But I just wanted to show you guys how dope this edge control is. Like, I mean, I show you guys. Well, I'm going to show you guys how I apply it in the next clip. But, you know, I'm new to this YouTube thing, so I'm not really all of that at editing either. But, yeah, so the next clip coming up, I'm going to show you guys how I apply it and let you know how bomb it is. I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it. Like, don't judge my hair. Let me zoom in some more. And mind you, I told y'all I have 4C here. So I'm gonna take my little thing I got from beauty supply store. I'm gonna be looking in the mirror. I'm just gonna brush down my little edges what I want to lay. None of my edges show because I wear closure. I don't wear frontal, but Style Factor, I'm gonna go on with it. Mind you, even though it's pink, it comes out clear. And look at that. Look. It probably looks a little brown because of my foundation, but I'm gonna brush. It's hard because I'm looking at my camera, so I don't know if I'm actually doing it right. Mind you guys, this is straight 4C. Don't ask me what I be doing. My little edges, I don't know what I be doing. Just gonna go in with the other side. So this is the best edge control I found thus far. Look at that. And it doesn't leave any white residue. I promise you. No white residue. And it holds it. Like, I use it in my kids' hair, and it really holds it. Look at that. See? I'm just gonna put a little bit right here. I don't really. Just going up my wig on, you know. I've used Got to Be gel and the Got to Be whatever. I use Gorilla Snot. I use all of that, and nothing never made my little widow's peak slick like that. Do y'all not see that? Do you not see that? Okay, so I'm gonna go get ready and I'll come back to y'all told you this is bomb. Bomb. Edge booster. I seen the name Gonna Beauty Plus and I was like, what? This is bomb. This is bomb. Alright, y'all, so I'll be back. Okay, now as you guys can see, I did apply it to my edges. I did put it on, like, you know, and it's not too bad. You know, it holds down your little sideburns or whatever the case may be. I don't wear frontals. I wear closures. I'm not into the frontal thing as of yet. But yeah, this I wouldn't suggest if you're trying to hold on a closure or anything. But like, it's ways my little widow peak fine. You know, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Okay, I'm impressed. I'm enthused, you know. So definitely go pick it up, try out the different flavors, comment below, let me know if you like it, let me know if you try it, let me know if you have more suggestions on even more bomb edge controls, and see you in my next video.